I've been wanting to try raw sea moss for the longest, but I've never found like, real sea moss, because there's people or sellers out there that won't sell authentic ones. And I feel like, this was God for real, because today's video is actually sponsored by Organics Nature. And Organics Nature sent me this raw wildcrafted gold sea moss from St. Lucia. Sea moss is known for great nutritional benefits such as thyroid support in cases of low iodine levels, prevention of nasal congestion, and helps get rid of excess mucus.